Discover Docyt's convenient feature in Docyt that helps you to effortlessly mark expenses as billable. To simplify your billing process and ensure accurate tracking of billable items with Docyt's intuitive interface. Let's see how to do it. After you log into your Docyt account, go to Expense Management, and then Accounts Payable and Invoice Queue, to locate the invoices you wish to mark as billable. Now click on that invoice to open it and look for the Billable Client option in the right panel where you will see the date, amount, and other details. Click on the Billable Client option to choose the client's name you wish to associate with this expense in the drop-down list that will appear. Great, you just assigned that expense to your client using Docyt. Docyt's integration with QuickBooks Online offers seamless information syncing to your QuickBooks account. Once you've assigned the billable expense to a customer, you can directly use this expense when generating an invoice for the same customer in QuickBooks Online. Simplify your workflow and enhance efficiency with this powerful integration using Docyt.